Imagine your indicators are giving you where to enter, where to exit using AI, aka artificial intelligence. What if I tell you that this is possible with the Flux Charts Premium? And now let me show you how you can do it. The first thing you want to do is create a blank empty trading chart and let's go to indicators tab. But before we do that, if you still don't have the Flux Charts Premium, I am giving you 20% off coupon. Use Borsa and grab the best discount ever on the internet. What I want you to do now is find Flux Charts SPX Algo Premium. Click that to your chart and the Flux Charts NTF and supply demand zones, click to add to your chart. After you add these two indicators, you don't have to do anything. Just choose your ticker. I will be trading on the Nasdaq futures and I'm choosing the hardest time frame ever, which is obviously a 1 minute time frame. Let's see how this toolkit giving us the buy signals and the sell signals. So this is the live market, no cherry picking, nothing. We will see whatever it's giving us. This toolkit is giving you these TP levels, the supply and demand zone, the retests, buy signal like this, the sell signal like this, and it comes with the plus sign, which means it's a strong one. And you can see we have a huge gap up, and before that the Flux Charts gave a buy signal here. We will go into that. We will see how you can configure, how you will use the signals and so on. So we are just looking the performance here. We are just looking the win rate here. You see it, right? I'm not cherry picking. The green dot is blinking. I just added these indicators on 1 minute time frame, hardest time frame, Nasdaq futures. So you can see this is Monday and it goes like this, and you can see it gave the buy signal, the market rallied up, it gave the sell. Okay, Borsa, we got it. Now I will show you how you will trade and how you will engage with the signals. I just go back in the time and you can see that the Flux Charts gave me the strong sell signal. What you want to do is execute the sell signal and follow the TP levels here, and you can see that all TP levels got smashed. Now we will see live on action. I am waiting for the next signal so we can engage together. We received a strong buy signal. With this strong buy signal, we got a 3 take profit levels, and you can see that a supply and demand indicator put it this rectangle here, which we can use as also a take profit levels. Now what I want you to do now is to execute a buy position. We will go with the 3 contracts here, right? It's very easy, and the TP levels, as you guessed it, I want to put my full TP here, which is a $2,000, and I want to put my stop loss to this recent support line here. So it's very easy. You don't have to use the stop loss. It's a very safe stop loss. You can choose whatever you want and however you want to do it. So we are in the position now. It's a late execution, but this is just the demonstration purposes. The Flux Charts gave the first TP here. So you can just basically take a one partial here, right? So what I'm going to do now is to come here and sell a 1 contract here, just like this. So I'm left with the 2 contracts, and what you want to do is to trail your stop. And how you gonna do that is quite simple. You will use the cloud over here. I will show you everything in the settings. You will see with your eyes which settings I'm using and how I configure it. We are in the position now and I'm targeting $1,400. It's a perfect trade. It's literally a free trade from now on. Let's see if we can get a full 3 take profit levels. Boom. We just smash the full TP here. And if you are wondering what will happen on the next signal, we can just see it together. So market is now going back and forth. You can see the market is keep rising, keep going, right? So this signal was in profit. This signal was in profit. No cherry picking. And we have, of course, the losing signals. Nothing is 100% win rate, right? You can see what I wanted to show you here, that check this out. The sell signal, the buy signal, the sell signal, the buy signal. It really works, guys. So right? It's good. It uses the advanced AI techniques to give you the signals, to give you the take profit levels. So here, Flux gave one more signal here. Look at this. Look at this. Sell signal, first TP level hit. Then what happened? The rest of the position stopped out, right? So you took one partial and you close the rest of your position. And now you receive one more strong buy signal. And you can see that if you just roll the market, maybe it will take a loss. Maybe it will hit the take profit levels. You see? It smashed all the TP levels. You got my point. I just want to show you the real data, not cherry picking. I just added all the indicators in front of your eyes. Now, I want to take you to my settings because you will be shocked here. Let's disable the replay mode. And yeah, it's the same signals as you guys can see. Nothing changed. So we will go to settings for the SVX algo. And guess what? I'm using on the 7 sensitivity, day trader, long term, and here is the key part. You can use AI sensitivity optimizer. But inside of this toolkit, it's already implemented with the advanced AI techniques and algorithms. But if you enable this, it will also adjust sensitivity while the market is keep going. But if you know what you are trading, like the Nasdaq, because I trade everyday Nasdaq and I know how it reacts to market, I don't use that because it already has the artificial intelligence inside of it. But if I enable, let's see what changes. So it gives the sell signal, not bad, TP hit, give the buy, stopped out, sell, stopped out, buy, TP hit, sell, TP hit, buy, TP hit. It's not that bad. Buy, TP hit, sell, stopped out. So in overall, you get a good win rate, right? So you can see that the buy signal hit, the sell hit, the buy hit, sell, stopped out. You got my point. It's a wonderful tool to put on your chart and see it on the action. For my NTF and supply demand zone settings, it's also quite simple. I use the default settings. That's it. Believe me or not, you can just grab the toolkit. There is a 7-day money back guarantee. If you don't like it, you will get your money back, no questions asked. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other Flux Charts videos here. And until the next time, see you soon.